Yesterday we scored agent pull requests before human review. Today we cage the agent while it works. A harness that grades the diff after the fact does not stop a tool call that writes outside the repo, hits production APIs, or dumps secrets into logs. Coding agents need a sandbox policy, file system, network, secrets, process. Same spirit as AGENTS.md, written rules, enforced by tools, audited when broken. This episode designs a policy you can run in CI and on developer machines without killing velocity. Default deny outside the workspace. Allow read-write only under the repo root and a declared scratch directory. Deny home config stores, SSH keys, cloud credential files, and sibling repos unless the brief names them. Deny package cache writes that survive the job when you need hermetic builds. For multi-repo agents, allow a worktree list, not the whole disk. In CI, mount only what the job needs. In local grok build or IDE agents, set workspace root explicitly. Log every path deny. If agents hit the wall often on a valid path, fix the policy. Do not silently expand access for convenience. Default deny outbound. Allow package registries you actually use. Allow your Git host. Allow model API endpoints on a short list. Deny metadata services and internal admin panels. Deny production cluster endpoints from agent jobs. Staging may be allowed for integration tests only when the brief says so. Prefer egress proxies with domain allow lists over free internet. For web research tools, use a separate agent role with different network rights, never the same profile as code fix. Record host and status code on every blocked call. That log becomes your allow list candidate queue, reviewed weekly, not auto-approved. Least privilege secrets. Agent jobs get a short-lived token for the Git host and package install if needed. They do not get production cloud keys. They do not get customer database credentials. They do not get payment processor secrets. Inject secrets as environment variables scoped to steps that need them, not a kitchen sink env file. Mask secrets and logs. Ban echo and cat of secret names in agent prompts. If the agent needs a secret for a test, use synthetic fixtures or a dedicated test vault with fake values. Real secret rotation stays human only from the incident playbook. Scan agent transcripts and PR descriptions for leaked patterns before publish. Cap what the agent can run. Allow approved package managers and test runners. Deny raw curl to unknown hosts when network is restricted. Deny Docker socket mount unless the job is explicitly a container build lane. Deny sudo. Timebox long shell loops. Cap max tool calls per task. Cap max files changed before a human checkpoint. These caps pair with the PR eval harness. A sandbox stop is a hard fail signal the harness can surface. Put the caps in the same policy file as paths and network. Version it next to agents.md. Tool profiles per task type. Code fix profile. Docs only profile. Infer profile with stricter gates and mandatory 2i before any network open. The same policy must run in 3 places. CI agent jobs. Local coding agents. Staging chaos drills from the incident series. If local is loose and CI is tight, developers learn bad habits. If CI is loose and local is tight, green CI lies. Start with CI as source of truth. Export a machine-readable policy. Load it in agent config or a wrapper script. For drills, inject a deliberate policy violation in staging and confirm detect and contain fire. Measure false blocks that slow real work. Tune allow lists with data, not vibes. Publish a monthly sandbox report. Denies. Overrides. Incidents prevented. That chart sells the walls better than fear slides. Your move. Write a sandbox policy file. Paths. Network. Secrets. Tool caps. Profiles. Enforce it on one agent labeled CI job this week. Tune in tomorrow. We build the agent cost and latency SLO board. Token spend, wall time, and pass rate per task type so sandbox and eval stay affordable. Subscribe if you want the future without the fluff.